Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking the first concrete steps. Confirm you run Ubuntu with systemd and you have a sudo user. This ensures the daemon can integrate within it. Once done, update apt, install apt transport https, ca certificates, curl, and add Docker's GPG key and repository so packages resolve correctly. Make sure to lock the kernel headers if needed. Adding your user to the Docker group lets you run the daemon-managed sockets without sudo. Now proceed to install the engine. You now install and configure the Docker daemon itself. Use apt to install dockerc, dockerccli, and containered, so the engine and runtime match. Once packages are in place, create or edit /etc/docker/daemon. JSON to set your storage driver, cgroup driver to systemd for kube compatibility, and any registry mirrors for faster polls. After saving, reload systemd, enable Docker service, and start it. Check journal.u Docker and Docker info to confirm the daemon initialized and recognized your setting. You finish by validating runtime behavior and addressing common failures. Run Docker, run Hello World and Docker PS to ensure the daemon accepts commands and pulls images. Test a simple container with a mapped volume and exposed port to confirm networking. If you hit socket or cgroup errors, check UFWA or iptables rules and restart containered, then Docker. One key troubleshooting tip. Inspect journal.u Docker for detailed error messages and correlate timestamps with systemd and containered logs. This quickly shows permission or dependency failures so you can fix them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.